You may have some debts that are in arrear, and you have heard about debt settlement as a way to consolidate your debt. But you don't know who can help you, where to turn, or how to go about implementing the debt settlement as a strategy. Hello, my name is George Cady. I am a money coach. In this video, I want to explain to you what is a debt settlement, how it works, the advantages and disadvantages, and give you tips on how to succeed with your debt settlement strategy. But first of all, let me define what is a debt settlement. Debt settlement is a process that you follow to negotiate a payment on your debt lower than what you owe currently. Let me further explain. Let's say you have two debts. Each debt is $10,000. The total debt is $20,000, and you undergo a negotiation with your creditor, and they accepted 30 cents to a dollar. That means you have an obligation to pay $6,000 to make this problem go away. Having said this, it requires you to pay that amount in full. It is impossible to get a lender to accept settlement and payment over time. Now, having said this, you could do it yourself, or you could engage a debt settlement agency. You will get the same outcome. It is preferred that you settle your own debt. It saves you money, and you get the same result. Whichever case you take, please get something in writing that says they accept a percentage of the debt, and make sure that debt settlement letter include no further recourse. A letter without no further recourse clause could make you vulnerable in the future, because that lender or creditor or collection agency could come back and ask you for more. However, if you have debt and you're considering debt settlement, I urge you to speak to a money coach. They know how it works. They could give you tips and ideas and strategies how to recover from it. Bear in mind, you need to change your spending habit. You need to adopt a budget to make sure that arrear doesn't happen in the future. I am a money coach. I work with people like yourself who have debts in arrear. There are alternatives to debt settlement. If I'm working with you, I would explore the other options first. If not, we will negotiate your debt and put a debt recovery plan in place, which means that ensures you make the right payment and you do not get into the same scenario again. If this message resonated with you, I urge you to book a free, no string attached strategy call with me. Let us explore your options. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos.